Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we talk about echo. So echo is a mixture of delay and reverb and a few other effects. There's a lot going on in this new effect from Ableton 10, but now we'll just see how it works. So we have the delay section. We can see that as we change some parameters, this visual representation changes as well. We have the link button. If we have the link button active, we switch to time, both switch to time. Then we have this window, this drop down menu for the sync. And then we have the delay offset that allows to add some swing to our delay. Then we have the feedback, and we also have an input knob. We have also a clip dry. This applies the input gain to the dry signal as well, allowing to distort it for an authentic hardware feel. So I'll just tweak it and show you what it actually does. So we have this loop. Okay, let's try again. So okay, stop it. Let's try again. It's clipping the signal, so now I just move the dry wet and see how it behaves. You see, if there's completely dry, there's no clipping. The input actually isn't doing anything. Instead, you can see that if we have the clip dry, we are clipping even if the dry wet is all to the dry 0%. So this is it. Then we have the feedback invert. This inverts the feedback signal before adding it back to the input. This can change the sound significantly for short delay times. So let's just try how it sounds so you have an idea. Okay, I can hear some difference. Let's try with time. Okay. Okay, so this is the effect. Then we have this filtering section. We can turn on and off the filter. Yeah, this is it. We have resolution and resonance, and the filter frequency for both nodes, low pass and high pass filter. We can hide the whole thing, turn it on and off. Then we have reverb. We have the decay of the reverb. We have the reverb location, so we can see when it's being added, if pre or post delay, or also if we want it within the feedback loop. So this can create some really interesting effects. Usually is on post because you don't want the reverb to overbuild unless you're using it for some weird effects or sound design purposes. Then we have the stereo width. This is mono, this is wide as L, and this is normal. Then we have the output gain, and the dry wet. Here we have the delay modes. We have stereo, we have a ping pong. You can hear that the delay is bouncing from left to right. And we also have mid-side, which is really interesting. This tutorial is going to be a complete mess. So let's jump into the modulation tab. We have this sync thing and this modulation. So we can actually see how the whole delay can be modulated. We have this LFO, we have the rate, we have the phase and the sync thing, and also this. Let's try. This mod filter is not enabled because the filter is off. We can hear some filter sweeps. Then we have the envelope mix. Okay, this tutorial is pretty wild. You can see how this effect can be quickly annoying. Just be conservative unless you want to make some crazy stuff. And what I suggest to do is to print all this thing to audio. So if you can catch a cool automation, a cool modulation, you have it there, and you don't have to re-trigger the whole echo over and over to get that effect again, because each single tweak can really transform the result in a drastic way. Then we have the character. So gate, okay, we can hear the gate working. And then we have the ducking. So basically ducking just takes the input level and uses it to duck the wet signal. Then we have some noise. We have this re-pitch going on, so if we move the whole thing, so if we turn it off, we don't have those tape stop or tape start type of effects, but the delays just goes on. This noise is annoying. Okay. And then the wobble. As you can see, I'm not a fan of echo. I use it just with light settings to add some more subtle ambience, just to fill the space, to make some melodies a bit thicker, a bit more wide, but not in a tangible way, but in a subconscious way, really light. So feel free to experiment, and maybe you can get some better results than me and what I did in this tutorial. So see you in the next video. Bye.